The average American consumes about 34 gigabytes of information every single day. That's equivalent to 100,000 words, 94 hours on TikTok, or 2 seasons of Breaking Bad.
Chemistry is the study of matter, but I prefer to see it as the study of change.
And as life grows and expands, it becomes tougher, and we realize that our older systems no longer serve us. I want to show you how you can actually benefit from using technology and not the other way around. What I want to discuss with you is a second brain. A second brain is an external, centralized digital repository where you can store the information that you have learned and the resources from where you have learned it. It expands our memory and intellect using modern tools of technology. And with the way technology is consuming our lives today, we could all benefit from having our own second brain. Framework that we're going to discuss is coined by Tiago Forte, best-selling author of the book Building a Second Brain, and is called the Code Method. C is for capture. This is going to be you capturing any podcasts, books, notes, meetings, anything that you've consumed. You want to be able to not just have it in here and externalize that information. Number 2, organize. The one that we struggle with the most, you have to be able to take that raw inbox type of information and categorize it. For this, we're going to discuss the PARA method. It's also coined by Tiago, and it's projects, areas, resources, and archives. The way it works is that the more right you get on the spectrum, the less action that you're taking. At the core, we have projects, things that we're actively doing right now. Things like lose 20 pounds because I have some trip coming up, finish this data analytics certificate, go publish this series, whatever the case might be. That's a project. You're doing one component of something. Area could be your health, your finances, your relationships, entrepreneurship journey. It could be your career, whatever the case might be. Those are the bigger chunks of your life. Resources are going to be things that you're storing because they're of relevance or will be of relevance in the future. You would have the bookmarks of topics that you're interested in, like nutrition, videography, and web design. I'm storing resources that can help me become a better speaker, writer, business owner, friend, lover, whatever the case might be. Archive is going to be everything else. It is honestly okay to be a dump all because we're not trying to capture every single thing. We just simply want to capture what needs to get done right now. Which projects, which tasks, which items are on our list. Number 3, distill. After you've organized it, you're able to go and really understand and try to summarize what you have. And the more you do this, the more connections you're going to build, the more you're going to realize that, oh, this actually ties to this other area of my life. And you not only have this system that you can trust and go to, but you have this entire collection that's you, your thoughts, your ideas, your information. And when you begin seeing that in one central spot, it triggers creativity and it makes you want to do more because you don't have to go do that initial cycle of rejogging your memory and trying to get in that flow.
Hey, check me out. I'm checking. Get it.
A couple minutes of reading a couple notes that you made maybe a couple months ago might set you ahead a couple years.
Cause I'm super hot, boy.
Oh! Number 4, express. There's many ways to express yourself, and for me, making this video, talking to myself, putting myself out there is me expressing myself because I do care about this stuff. And you have to understand the benefits of expressing. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. It could be you just writing it out and saying it to a friend, you writing a blog post, you simply letting it out and just expressing it and putting it out in the world beyond this head of ours. It does amazing things to us. You see the true benefits when you're doing this stuff. You see that peace of mind, that ease that has been lifted with not having a system or a way of getting things done and leading yourself into situations that could have been avoided or could have been done with a lot less stress and time wasted. And it is about saying that, you know, this time I'm going to do it right. I'm not going to take that get organized quick and fix my life quick solution. I'm going to do the work and get a strong foundation because I know if I do that, everything else is going to work out just the way it's meant to be. And like my shirt says, it's going to be never better. Never. Never ever 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 better. Never ever